Many of the guides have worked here at El Pescador for over 35 years and have passed their craft on from father to son. We have 4 primary family groups that have been with us throughout that time and practiced their craft here on the water. In addition to growing up in the commercial fishing industry, many of our guides have gone through our apprenticeship program as well as safety and seamanship training. Here at El Pescador, we ensure that we match our experienced guides with our guests to ensure that they have the best experience on the flats in Ambergris Caye. One of the key aspects of working with your guide is ensuring that you communicate with him what your objectives are for the week while you're here. Working with them to develop a plan is critical to your success out on the flats. Let them know what your experience level is. Based on that and what target fish you're looking to catch, they will take into consideration what's been going on in the weather, where fish have been biting, and we'll come up with a plan to ensure success. If for any reason you don't feel that plan is going well, let's revisit that on a daily basis to ensure that we're meeting your objectives and exceeding your expectations here at El Pescador. What I'd like to do now is kind of review what day 1 and subsequent days of fishing here at El Pescador will look like. All of you have been scheduled at either 6:30 or 7 o'clock. Breakfast is served under the palapa here at 6 a.m. The guide staff will arrive probably about 6:15. Complete your breakfast. When you finish your breakfast, give me a heads up and I'll make introductions. Your guide's going to immediately want to inventory what rods and what tackle that you have, and anything that you don't have, we can supplement that through the El Pescador Fly Shop. We've got demo rods and reels in 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 weight here. Any disposable items, things like flies, leaders, etc., we can certainly provide that through our shop and bill that to your incidental bill. Once you get rigged up, the guide's going to take you down to the dock. Once you get on your boat, the first thing I'd like you to do is open the cooler and ensure that your lunch form that you completed the night before dinner is on top of your cooler. We like to do a quality check on that. We get it right 99.9% of the time, but that one time that you don't check it, your lunch is going to go north and you're going to go south, and we're going to have a conflict of trying to get your lunch in there. So do a quality check on your cooler. Once the guide leaves the dock, he'll typically be out on the water for 8 hours unless you elect to come back for any reason. Of course, if you're on fish at the end of the day, we're going to stay out there until we get them landed. I try to meet all guests on return once they come back to the dock at the end of the day. I'll check in with you, check in with your guide to ensure that you had a good day, talk a little bit about what you caught, and importantly, talk about what your start time is going to be for day 2. As you recall, we've made a plan for subsequent days, and depending upon where you go in our fishery, we'll have to arrange for a start time on day 2. For your safety, we carry life preservers, fire extinguishers, and first aid kits on every boat. We automatically put 2 gallons of ice water in every boat. Please remember to bring your water bottle with you, the bottle that was issued when you arrived at El Pescador. Hydrate. We can't overemphasize that enough. We need you to hydrate. Consider bringing bug screen as well as sunscreen out on the boat with you daily. The sun in Belize gets very hot, and reapply bug screen as well as sunscreen at least every 3 hours. Some additional items to remember to bring: rain jackets in the event of inclement weather. Also, just a reminder on inclement weather, the lodge reserves the right to hold boats from going out in the event of severe thunderstorms, lightning, etc. Please don't give your guides alcohol while you're out on the boat. But then again, don't hesitate to invite them into the bar at the end of the fishing day. Safety is a priority here at El Pescador, whether you're out of the water or here at the lodge. Be safe. At El Pescador, we practice catch and release. All bonefish, tarpon, and permit must be released by law, and we have a voluntary release program for our snook. Please use safe handling practices when our fish are landed and photographed. Please wet your hands when handling our fish, and in turn, please keep them wet for the long-term sustainability of our fishery.